Hi guys, this is Bargo. Welcome back to the Game of Trading channel. Hope all are doing good. This video is about an easy way to understand a share guidelines for beginners in Kite Zerodha. I'm giving you this example from non-trading hours. Why I'm taking non-trading market sessions for beginners can easily follow what I am going to explain. Let's take an example of Vodafone Idea share price. I'm taking this company from the last traded session. Okay. The price of the Vodafone Idea bid is at 8.90 and the profit or loss account of the company's value is at 1 rupee 5 paisa per share. Here the bid price orders quantity and offer orders quantity. And the offer price of the lowest, well, coming to the open price of the Vodafone Idea share is at 7.60. And the next is high range of the Vodafone Idea reached at 9 rupees, and the low rate of the Vodafone Idea share price is 7.45, and the previous close of the day's share price is at 7.85. Well, volumes. What does it mean by volumes? Volume is the actual number of shares traded of that particular company that particular day. Let's say 197 people sold 76 crores 41 lakhs 17,778 shares of the particular day. Let's say an example, X sold 1000 shares to A and bought back those 1000 shares, then the volume would be the 2000. This is very simple, and the average price of the share is traded at 8.48 paisa. And let's coming to the last traded quantity. This is a very recently traded quantity which were like 340, and at the time of like last traded quantity, last traded time. This is last traded time actually. Lower circuit. Lower circuit means when a stock hits a lower circuit, there will be only sellers and no buyers. So if someone wants to buy the stock, they can do so at the lower circuit. When a stock continuously hits its lower circuit, when a stock continuously hits its upper circuit for few days, the stock restricts its price movement by revising the circuit from 20% to 10% lower circuit. Vodafone Idea share price lower circuit is at 8 rupees 5 paisa. And what is an upper circuit? Upper circuit is a system that shows volatility or momentum in a stock. It is the daily price range of a stock that is applicable for intraday only. Upper circuit means maximum price limit at which share stock price may move positively for intraday at 9.75 paisa for an example for the day. These upper circuit and lower circuits may change for every day, and the circuit's limits will be released at the time of like day trading starts. How is upper circuit determined? When the volatility of a stock breaks a circuit limit as decided by the exchange trading in the stocks stopped for some time, the limit is fixed as a percentage of the stock's price by the stock exchange. The rules for circuit breakings are decided by the Securities Exchange Board. How can we sell upper circuit stocks? When a stock hits an upper circuit, there will be only buyers and no sellers. No sellers, as well as, so if someone wants to sell the stock, they can do so. Similarly, when a stock hits a lower circuit, there will be only sellers and no buyers. So if someone wants to buy the stock, they can do so at the lower circuit. Let's take another quick example view of SBIN. SBIN bid price is at 188.20 paisa, and the profit of the day of SBIN is at 1 rupee 95 paisa per share. Here same as similar like bid orders quantity and offer orders quantity. Let's take a quick view of SBIN, same similar like Vodafone Idea, how I explained. Open price of the SBIN is a 186.80, and the high value of that SBIN reached to 189.50, and the low price range of the SBIN is 185 rupees. Previous close of the SBIN means previous day's close at 186.25 paisa. Volumes of the SBI is 4 crore 70 lakhs 35,751 volumes per day. Average price traded at 186.87, and last traded quantity is at 30 quantity, and the last traded time was at 20/20/07/17/15/59/59, and the lower circuit of the SBIN is 169.40, and the upper circuit of the SBIN is 207 rupees. Hope all are like this video. Before going to wind up my video, kindly do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.